is your astrological forecast for Monday, June 14th. My name is Kat. You're joining me on the Soul Sister channel. Let's get started by becoming balanced and aligned and connected to our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity. We visualize it all flowing right out of our body, going back to wherever it came from, right? And in its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire body, but then goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And for the rest of the day, this bubble is going to deflect all evil, low vibration, and negativity back to where it came from. Well, good morning. I hope you joined me yesterday for my great story about the no pants. I'm not going to get over that for a while. But today we continue with our hard work of introspection and bringing parts of our lives into balance that are out of whack so that we can move forward successfully with this Aquarian energy. So today we have some things I want us to look at as far as the day and what we're looking at in our closet today. We have the moon in Leo. So we have this feeling today that we are looking to be recognized for something, acknowledged for our work. So this can play out in 2 ways, depending on which skeleton is in our closet regarding this power, because this is what we're talking about. We're dealing with this moon in Leo energy. We're talking about power and taking our power back. Because if we are not being acknowledged, if we are not being recognized, we have given our power away. Now, wait a minute. That does not mean that we got the employee of the week or we didn't get the employee of the week. It means that we are balanced and aligned within ourselves, and we don't need outer recognition. Because we know that what we're doing and what we've done comes from a space of love and contributes to the whole. That's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2, well, you need to be recognized me. Acknowledge me. I've worked all these years and I'm doing all this stuff for you and I did this and that and the other and you're not acknowledging me at all. And do we actually deserve that acknowledgement? That's the other question we want to ask ourselves today with these retrogrades. Do we actually deserve that acknowledgement? Do we actually deserve that recognition, or have we told ourselves some fantasy story of why we should receive recognition when we truly don't deserve it? We're just feeling that, everyone else is being recognized. Why aren't we? But we haven't done the work. Get my picture? So it could go 2 ways. So today, either we're going to work on taking our power back because we're allowing other people to manipulate and control us. We're looking to other people to give us recognition. We're looking to other people to give us acknowledgement. And while that is okay, it has to start here. If we don't feel worthy then no matter how much acknowledgement and recognition is given to us in the outer world, we are not going to feel satisfied or fulfilled. Okay? Now, the other side of that, though, is thinking we deserve recognition and acknowledgement when we don't, because we've told ourselves some kind of fantastic story. So, if we don't deserve it, we need to take responsibility for our part in working toward doing something that we can become acknowledged for, recognized for. That's what we're working on today. That's the big theme for today. Looking at that little skeleton in our closet. Where have we given our power away? And where do we need to take responsibility for our own self-worthiness, our own recognition, our own acknowledgement? We also have another delightful energy. I told you this whole week actually sucks. But like I always say, if you know what we're working with, that can help us out a lot in navigating these energies, especially understanding what is going on in the environment, so that we can stay focused and aligned and not allow these distractions, because we know what they are. We know we've got people out there deceiving us. We know there's people out there trying to manipulate and control us. So we stay balanced and aligned and centered so we don't allow these distractions to take our power. Now, we have another situation today that's going on. We have a delightful T-square, a lunar T-square. We have Saturn and Uranus coming here, and then the moon splitting it right down the middle. So here is what this energy looks like. It's, again, the classic old versus the new. So we have this great idea, we've brought it forth, we've researched it, and we present it, no matter whether that is within our partnership or whether it's in our job or with our boss. We've come up with this new idea of doing something, and authority, the boss, the partner, whoever, not only don't they accept it, and embrace it, they actually criticize us today for it being unrealistic and impractical because it's not following the old rules. So be aware of that today. I would not suggest to try to combat that energy. I would back off and present this idea until another day, another time. Not a good day to try to bring that forward. So we're going to stay centered today. We might have to take those three deep cleansing breaths more than once today. Remember that. Keep that in your back pocket. If anyone really gets to us or really tries to manipulate or control us, because that is very prevalent today. On the same notion, I hope we're not manipulating and controlling other people so that we can get recognition and acknowledgement that we don't actually deserve. Don't want to be doing that. Okay, advice from the universe to guide us along our Monday. Nightingale spirit, love is all around. Kind of hard to find it these days, isn't it? Butting up against everyone in their craziness. Turtle spirit, slow and steady wins the race. I'm just a lot, aren't I? Elephant spirit, learn from the past. Okay, don't forget in all this darkness and murkiness that love is all around, and all we have to do, if we're not feeling it or we can't seem to access it, the magic solution is gratitude. If we can become grateful for just anything at all, we unclog that energy, that channel for our energy, and we allow that love to flow through again. Love can be found in everything. So let's, instead of focusing today on the negative in the world, because there is a lot of that. I mean, let's face it, Neptune, we're all kind of in fantasy la la land. So, but love will see us through, and love is all around. Just keep going, everyone. Just do our work. Slow and steady. We will get there. We will get there, and we will accomplish what we're trying to balance, what we're trying to harmonize, and making healthy choices. And as one more, if I can pull it off here, one more little reminder, hey, learn from the past. If we keep doing the same thing, even if it's a different color Band-Aid, we're going to get the same result. Here is our opportunity to use the past to glean our lessons and our wisdom so that we can utilize them going forward. So today, look at self. Remember that we are these incredible, incredible beings of the universe. I want us to consider today, as we're working on our little skeletons, that we are such incredible beings that these physical bodies can't handle all of us. That's why we have this higher self. That's part of us too. But because of the limits of a physical body, we can't put our entire consciousness in here. The body can't handle it. So as we work on building this relationship to this other part of ourselves, this higher vibration of ourselves, we actually train our bodies to accept higher levels of vibration. So think about that today. Think about working on that energy today, how incredible we are. We don't need the recognition. We don't need acknowledgement from the outer world. It is nice, but what we need is to be worthy within ourselves. Please come see me on Facebook.com. I would love you to come visit and maybe be my friend. That would be so special. Remember, everyone, life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Monday. Hang in there. We can do this. We're all in this together. Namaste.